I think nobody knows that she bumped my car. Hi everyone, Judy here. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm not going to teach you any Bisaya, but I will be talking about my car. So this is the damage of the bump. And then luckily, I'm very fortunate enough that the driver who bumped my car left a number, so I called her, and that if you're willing, we'll just go to this car shop and you pay for the repairs. Okay, so and then she agreed. She was very honest. She could have, she could just leave my car there because I think nobody knows that she bumped my car. So she left her number there at the caretaker of the parking area, and then she left. And then she was so apologetic. I can really feel her sincerity, and she was actually very nervous about the accident. So we went to Ono car shop. Just so you know, I am not affiliated to Ono car shop, nor they sponsor this video. Okay, so we went there because it was recommended by our insurance agent. Okay, so when we went there, it was just very quick, and it's just a minor accident. What you don't like happening here in the Philippines is to bump any human being, because you will be the one to pay for the hospitalization of the person that you bump. I'm telling you guys, you don't want to encounter those kind of accidents here in the Philippines because it's really a big headache. Okay, so how much does this cost? Is actually, as per their costing, the total was 5,700 pesos. So she paid it out of her own pocket money. We didn't go through the insurance agent or anything. So this is just an agreement between me and her, because if we go through the insurance, basically this is just a small amount to settle. So then going through the hassle of going to the police station, reporting all the paperwork, it's like it's not worth it to go through all the processes and documentation. So she just wanted to pay the car shop, and then we're good to go, as if nothing happened. Okay, so it was just a very quick transaction, and this is the car now, as if it's like nothing happened really. So the Ono car shop really did a good job in fixing the car rear back panel of the car, and then they were kind enough also, they also fixed the scratches at both sides of my car. So now, right now, my car doesn't have any scratches at the back, which is really good. That's it for today, guys. Just want to share with you, just in case you guys encounter this kind of accident, at least you know how much this kind of accident costs. Okay, I hope this is helpful to you guys. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a like. That will really help my channel grow. Daghang salamat. Kita-kita tapuhon in the next video. Bye!